There's a winter storm coming. Your generator won't start. What do? Let's talk about it. When I was a boy, I used to be a mechanic on small engines. Is how I started working on tractors. And let's just say 90% of the time, people would bring their generator, chainsaw, lawnmower, whatever in. I could fix it in about 3 minutes. Dump the old gas out and put new gas in. If you do that, you got a pretty good shot of it starting up. Good luck with your winter storm and your generator. Until next time, I'll see you down at the bar.